We won't meet the extraction deadline at this rate. We need more resources on site immediately.
According to the schematics, the primary access panel is located here. That explains the power fluctuation in Sector 4. We need to reroute auxiliary power immediately.
All right, team, let's increase the pressure on the starboard wing.
Loss coverage is decreasing by 30%.
Keep it up, we need this section pristine by 1600.
Move to the tail section next.
Ready for the torque wrench. Hitting it now. Clear the area. Stand back. Almost done.
Clear the area around the landing gear.
Cones are placed, Chief.
Ready for the lift in Sector 3.
All right, team, secure the starboard paneling now. Panels are secure. Beginning the coating process on my mark.
Echo 3-7, this is Control. We have the data uplink established. Monitor activation confirmed.